daw in the chair here. And then, just I do my one sa phone and what's the another vlog. And then I sleep in my life. Oh my God. Yeah, I sleep in my life. I thought if I after 2 hours I'm already close and then I'm asleep. I'm embarrassed. And then I see. Then I when I wake up, there's so many there's so many comments. It said, "You are sleeping." Ay, what is the time? Don't sleep in the live. Yes, I don't sleep in the live. It's so embarrassing. And time in the Philippines is already